There's a new state-of-the-art cyber range training facility at Regent University in Virginia Beach.
Its main goal is to be a training ground for students, giving them hands-on experience to respond to cyber attacks. And that hands-on experience comes in the form of simulations. The technology can simulate cyber attacks based off of real-world events, and then the students, of course, learn how to respond. It's that kind of training that officials believe can be effective in fighting cyber crimes.
We're using the cyber range to give students a real experience in a corporate environment to really be able to react the way that they would if they were actually in an attack.
And now I'm going to inaugurate what is the finest cyber range facility in this area and possibly in the state of Virginia.
Imagine the world's most widely used cyber training platform located right here in Virginia Beach and Hampton Roads.
This world-class cybersecurity training and simulation platform, the only military-grade cyber training facility in Minnesota, will go a long way towards strengthening our state's cybersecurity training capabilities, ensuring our state is prepared for any kind of attack.